Kansan kawe biang kilama Khalistan ha Kanada nen kasing ublay ka kandai trik jeliu arajar arpulai bat perta persya ya kalama lairong kari India. Ha kaba kinong song kari India ru kiblaya lumlang ha kanega jaka mar persya bat kine kinong kersan ka Khalistan kiblara lang man pen kawe ya kalama lairong kari India bat perta penrem ya kinong kersan ka Khalistan. Ha gajing ya perta la kajong gajing sngau mar siliang kasrok ha Kanada kalbagi pulit kane kari kiba pahara bat penjajai ya kane gajing ya ki. Kinong kersan kibara man pen kawe ikilama lairong kiba pertaru da kebaong bande mataram bat imslam kari India. Ka kenuhun kini Khalistan kidawaru ya jing bisar ka bakoi leng bagi poster kiba kilara lang. Hadin gajing syak pendiap unong ilam jongki wa Hardip Singh Nijjar ha UK ha Patrick Mujilio araja arplai.
Canada is a peaceful country and we want it to remain peaceful, and we should we are trying to tell the government of Canada, take cognizance of this, that this is not freedom of expression. This is for sure not a freedom of expression. When you tell somebody you are killing somebody or you are displaying a killing act like the one which happened in Brampton last week, you are not basically showing the freedom of expression, but you are promoting terrorism and separatism. So government of Canada is requested by the peace-loving Canadians like me and Sunilji that they take cognizance of this and take appropriate measures and cut the perpetrators to the size.